Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common Android issue that's been bugging users for years: dead pixels. If you've got a stubborn dot on your screen that just won't light up right, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025 Android devices, so let's get straight to fixing it. First off, what's a dead pixel? It's a tiny spot on your screen that fails to display the correct color, often showing up as a black or stuck pixel. This can happen due to manufacturing defects, physical damage, or even wear and tear over time. The good news is, many dead pixels can be fixed with simple steps right from your device. Step 1. Start by confirming it's a dead pixel. Open a solid color image or use an app like a pixel test tool from the Google Play Store. This will help you isolate the problem area. Once identified, try the gentle pressure method. Turn off your phone, then lightly rub the affected spot with a soft cloth for about 30 seconds. Power it back on and check if the pixel has revived. Be careful not to press too hard to avoid more damage. If that doesn't work, let's move to software solutions. Download a dead pixel fixing app, such as Dead Pixel Fix, or similar tools available in 2025. These apps display flashing colors on your screen to stimulate the pixel. Run the app for 10 to 15 minutes and monitor for changes. Another quick fix is to restart your device or perform a factory reset as a last resort, but always back up your data first. For persistent issues, it might be hardware related. In that case, contact your device's manufacturer or visit a certified repair shop. Remember, if your phone is under warranty, this could be covered. There you have it. Easy ways to tackle dead pixels on your Android in 2025. I hope this helps restore your screen to perfection. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.